Welcome to Your Guitar Guide, the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. And today, another request. Keep them coming. Today is The Running Kind by Merle Haggard, and that's coming up. Yeah. This is a great song with 3 easy chords, and before I show you the chords, I'd just like to say thank you to Jeff Moody for requesting this song. And the chords in this song, 3 easy ones. We've got a G, a C, and a D. This lesson is going to be great to show you different things about the chords. I'm going to show you how to play them in the open position, how you could just strum the song, or I'm also going to show you how to play it how Merle Haggard would play it, and then also how you can play the same 3 chords up the neck. So stick around because this one's going to be a good one. So if you're just going to want to strum the chord, what you're going to play is down, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So 3 easy chords and an easy strumming pattern. But if you want to learn how Merle Haggard would play it, let's take a look at that. So when we're playing the G, what you would do is we're gonna basically pick the bass notes of each chord. So position your finger to play a G chord, and the bass note of the G is G. So the bass G note is right here on the 3rd fret. So we want to pick out the bass note. Strum, and we're going to pick the 5th string and strum. 6th string, 5th string, 6th string, 5th string. Grab that guitar and play it with me. Da 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 da. Then we've got a C chord, and what we're going to do there is play the bass note of the C, which is this 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. And how do I know that? Because I know the notes on the fretboard. And how could you learn that? It'll open up the neck, the whole neck, to thousands of songs once you learn that. And you can learn that by going to YourGuitarGuide.com, checking out the courses there. So we're going to pick the C, strum. Then you're going to take that 3rd finger, move it up to the G, which is the 3rd fret of the E string. And then we're strumming after we pick the note, strum. So you could practice going from G, which is 6, 5, 6, 5, C, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. Then we just need to learn that D. We're going to have it. So on the D, we're going to pick the bass note of the D, which is the D note, which is the D string. The fourth string, we're going to pick the D and strum the chord. And then we're going to pick the A string, which is the fifth string. So we're G, C, D, back to G. And like I said, this is a great lesson to show you how to play those exact chords up the neck here. So we're playing a G. It's a little bit more advanced because now we're getting to bar chords. But if you need help with bar chords, courses over at YourGuitarGuide.com will help you out. So to play the G bar chord, we've got to have the G note involved right here, 3rd fret. Bar all the strings on the 3rd fret. Your 3rd finger is going to be on the 5th fret, 5th string. On the 4th string, right under that, is your pinky at the 5th fret. And then on the G string is going to be your 2nd finger on the 4th fret. We're still going to want to pick the notes. So we're going to pick the 6th string, strum, 5th string, strum. Then we're going to the C. So to play the C, we're putting our 1st finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string. Remember we said that was the C note. So we're going from here and we're connecting it right here. And then you're going to use your 3rd finger to bar strings 4, 3, and 2. And we're going to pick 5, strum, move that 1st finger up to the 6th string at the 3rd fret and pick the 6th string. And then strum the chord. That may be a hard chord to make. You got to hyperextend that 3rd finger, push it down, and use the thumb in the middle of the back of the guitar neck to clamp those strings down. Then once we've got that, making that D chord's easy because it's the same position. Just take that whole thing and move it up 2 frets. So now we're at the D. And we're gonna pick and strum. Pick the 5th string, strum, 6th string, strum. So all together it's like this. back to G. Alright, so now that we've got all those chords under control, let's take a look at the chord progression. Alright, so it's in the key of G. We're going to start on the G chord, and we're going to pick like I just showed you. 6th string strum, 5th string strum. C, D, back to G. So the way you can figure this out, there's 5 G's, and then it goes C, and then one set of C, and then 3 D. So this is 1 G. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1 G, and we need 5 of them. Da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4, C, D, 2, 3, back to G. That's the rhythm and the chord progression through the song. Jeff, thanks for requesting this song. It made a great lesson, and share this lesson with your friends. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to watch that next. Thanks.